Hello to all of you friends. Today we will install Toy Car 25 display case with you. Before proceeding with the installation, you can visit our website from the link I have shown above and examine our other products. You can contact us via our website for your defective or broken parts. First of all, let's get to know our parts. 1 main table. 6 vertical parts. 6 horizontal parts. We place our main table with the nail holes upwards. Then we start to place our vertical piece as shown. After the assembly of our vertical parts is finished, we proceed to the assembly of our horizontal parts. The assembly of our product is completed. Feel free to contact us for any questions and needs. Use it on good days.